Hi students, today I am going to discuss about in 4th standard science subject term 2 lesson 3 plants. Already we studied about the parts of a plant. Now let us revise the parts of the plant. In this part, this is the root, then this is the stem, this part is leaf, then this is the fruit, then this part is flowers. So these are the parts of plants. In this lesson you studied about only for leaf. Let us see about the parts of a leaf. Leaves are different shape and size and have the different leaves. Some of the basic parts that are common in most of the leaves. I have one leaf. Let us see the parts. The first one is blade. The first one, blade. The blade is a broad flat place. This is the broad flat place. In this part is also known as blade. Its other name lamina. Its other name lamina. Then second part, apex. Second part, apex. In this tip of the leaf is known as apex. The tip of the leaf is also known as apex. Then third part, midrib. Third part is midrib. In the midrib is also for the center of the leaf. Center of the leaf. This name for midrib. Then fourth one, veins. Veins are branch from the midrib. Veins. This is the veins, and this veins is a branch out from the midrib. Then fourth part is veins. Then fifth part is petiole. In this part is join the leaf to the main stem. This is the petiole. In this part join the leaf to the main stem. So this is named as petiole. Once again, this is the leaf. The first part is blade. Its other name lamina. The broad flat place is also known as blade. Second part is apex. The tip of the leaf is known as apex. Then third part is midrib. Midrib is the center of the leaf. This is the center part. It is known as midrib. Then fourth part is veins. Veins is also for the branch of the leaf. Branch of. Then last part is, this is the petiole. In this part join the leaf to the main stem. Okay students, these are the parts of a leaf. The first one blade, second one apex, third one midrib, fourth one veins, fifth one petiole. Students, once again, the parts of a leaf. The first part is a blade. Its other name lamina. The second one apex. It is the tip of the leaf. Then third one midrib. It is the center of the leaf. Then fourth one vein, the branch of the leaf. Then last one petiole. The next part is stomata. Stomata means it's a pores in a leaf. Each pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. So guard cells can change the shape to open or close the stomata. This is the process for guard cells. So in this stomata is a function of gas exchange. So stomata are used to exchange gases. Each stomata is a gap that is found in between the two guard cells. So the guard cells control the opening and closing of the stoma. The guard cells control the opening and closing of the stoma. This is the process for opened and closed stomata. Stomata are pore in a plant's skin through which water and gases are exchanged to the plants and the atmosphere. So air enters and leaves the plant through this opening. So the stomata helps the plants to breathe. Okay students, let us revise the topic for parts of a leaf. These are the parts of a leaf: lamina, midrib, vein, apex and petiole. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.